How to clear chat history in ChatGPT. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in this video, I'll show you how to clear your chat history in ChatGPT. So, clearing chat history helps protect your privacy and keeps your ChatGPT workspace clean and organized. So let's dive right in. Open up the app, then head over to the two lines in the top left. Tap your profile on the bottom. This will access your settings. Now go ahead and tap on Data Controls. And there you'll find Delete All Chats option. Just tap on it and then confirm the deletion. This cannot be undone. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.